Get ready for a wild ride through the craziest fast food facts you've never heard. Buckle up because we're about to blow your mind with 20 bizarre things about your favorite guilty pleasures. Did you know McDonald's once tried to make kids eat their veggies by creating bubblegum flavored broccoli? Yeah, that's right. They thought pink bubblegummy broccoli would be a hit. Spoiler alert, it wasn't. Kids were totally freaked out, and this Willy Wonka nightmare never made it to the menu. Speaking of secret recipes, KFC's famous blend of herbs and spices is locked up tighter than Fort Knox. The recipe is guarded in a high tech vault with motion sensors, cameras, and more security than your average bank. Talk about finger licking paranoia. Remember Taco Bell's Think Outside the Bun slogan? Well, they used to think inside the bun too. Back in the day, they sold something called the Bell Beefer. Imagine a sloppy Joe had a baby with a taco. It was messy, it was weird, and it's now lost to fast food history. If you think black hamburger buns are wild, wait till you hear about Burger King Japan's squid ink burgers. That's right, jet black buns and cheese, courtesy of everyone's favorite cephalopod condiment. It's like eating a burger in the darkest depths of the ocean. Ever wonder how Santa delivers all those presents? Well, Domino's in Japan thought they'd one up the big guy by trying to deliver pizzas via reindeer in snowy regions. Rudolph the red-nosed pizza boy didn't quite work out, but points for creativity. Speaking of dark food, there's a pitch black hamburger sold in Hong Kong that looks like it came straight out of a goth kid's dream. It's made with bamboo charcoal, so you can pretend you're eating healthy while chowing down on fast food. Talk about a dark sense of humor. Here's a sweet fact that's not so sweet for Subway. In Ireland, their bread was legally ruled too sugary to even be called bread. It contained so much sugar that it fell into the category of confectionery. So next time you're there, ask for a sandwich on cake. Ever met someone who's eaten nothing but Big Macs their whole life? Well, one guy came pretty close. Don Gorske ate over 30,000 Big Macs and meticulously tracked every single one. That's more beef than a Texas ranch, all in one guy's stomach. Think delivering to your fifth floor walk up is tough? Pizza Hut said hold my beer and became the first company to deliver pizza to actual space. In 2001, they sent a pizza to the International Space Station. Talk about out of this world customer service. Here's a mind blowing fact: McDonald's isn't just a fast food giant, it's also the world's largest toy distributor. Thanks to those addictive Happy Meals, they hand out more toys than even Toys R Us did. Who knew Ronald McDonald was secretly Santa Claus? Ever found something gross in your food? One woman hit the jackpot of disgust when she found a deep fried chicken head in her meal. Forget winner winner chicken dinner. This was more like horror show chicken chow. Bet that put her off fast food for life. In a plot twist worthy of a soap opera, Taco Bell was once officially certified as a Mexican restaurant by the US government. That's like your local Chinese takeout being endorsed by the Emperor of China. Authenticity level, questionable. Craving some surf and turf with your Big Mac? If you're in Maine, you're in luck. McDonald's there serves up lobster rolls alongside their regular menu. It's like the Hamptons and the Golden Arches had a delicious baby. Just when you thought fried chicken couldn't get any more indulgent, KFC Indonesia said, hold my drumstick and introduce chocolate fried chicken. It's the dessert dinner combo you never knew you needed or wanted. Ever wonder why fast food fries are so addictively golden and crispy? Here's a shocker: many chains add sugar to their fries. It's not just for taste, it helps them achieve that perfect golden brown color, sweet and salty, just the way we like 'em. In the weirdest eBay auction ever, someone sold a chicken McNugget shaped like George Washington for over $8,000. That's right, someone paid more than a used car's worth for a nugget that vaguely resembled the first president. Now that's what I call a value meal. Remember when unicorns were all the rage? Starbucks cashed in with their unicorn frappuccino, a drink that actually changed colors as you stirred it. It was like a mood ring you could drink, turning from purple to pink faster than you could say basic. Here's a fact that might make you lose your appetite. Some fast food ice machines have tested positive for more bacteria than toilet water. Yeah, you read that right. Maybe stick to bottled drinks next time you're at the drive-thru. In a bizarre twist of fate, Wendy's old slogan, "Where's the beef?" became a political catchphrase in the 1984 presidential race. Who knew a burger ad could shape national discourse? It's like Make America Grill Again, but decades earlier. Last but not least, in the most American lawsuit ever, a man sued Subway because his foot-long sub measured only 11 inches. Talk about not measuring up. The case was eventually settled, but not before sparking a nationwide debate about sandwich integrity. And there you have it, folks. 20 of the wildest, weirdest, and most jaw dropping facts about fast food. From bubblegum broccoli to space pizza, the fast food world is even crazier than you thought. Next time you're munching on fries or sipping a shake, remember there's a whole universe of bizarre food facts hiding behind those golden arches and drive through windows. So, are you hungry for more mind blowing food facts? Hit that subscribe button faster than you can say supersize me. Trust me, you don't want to miss our next serving of tasty trivia. Until next time, keep it weird and keep it delicious.